Hi everyone, my name is Riccardo De Luzio and I'll be presenting this year's Herbarium Challenge. The Herbarium Challenge focuses on species identification from herbarium specimens. Herbarium sheets exhibit dried specimens which present a unique view of the world's botanical history, evolution, and diversity. There are about 3,000 herbaria worldwide, with an estimated 380 million specimens, a large portion of which is digitized. Developing an automated approach to help experts identify specimens could significantly accelerate research in this area. However, classifying herbarium sheets is hard. Different specimens from the same species can look very different depending on their reproductive stage. Even sheets made from the same individual plant at the same time by the same collector using the same pressing, drying, and mounting protocol present some differences. On the contrary, herbarium sheets corresponding to different species can sometimes look very similar. This year's Herbarium Challenge dataset is the largest and most varied herbarium sheet dataset to date. It contains 2.5 million images spanning across 64,500 species. These images are provided by 5 different institutions and cover the Americas, Oceania, and the Pacific. We also provide institution labels and additional labels higher up the taxonomic hierarchy. The Herbarium Challenge 2021 was a competition hosted by Kaggle. The metric was the macro F1 score. The competition received a lot of interest with 573 entries from 108 competitors across 80 teams. Competitors achieved really good results overall, with the top 9 teams presenting solutions with an F1 score of over 0.5. Congratulations to the winners from the CIPP team, who achieved a score of 0.76. Here are some of the takeaways from this year's competition. The top 3 teams all trained on high-resolution images and used ensembling techniques. Interestingly, the top 2 teams combined visual representation learning together with standard classification to achieve better results. Unfortunately, none of the top teams had time to use the hierarchical labels, which could potentially lead to further improvements. Finally, I would like to really thank all of these organizations who enabled this competition to take place, and also, of course, the FGVC for hosting this competition. Thank you all for your attention.